reception and welcome to our phonics. It's phase 3 and today we're learning the sound Z. Here's the capital Z and this is the lowercase z, and the action for Z is this. Right then, make sure that you've got a piece of paper and your pencil or pen ready, and let's have good sitting, good looking and good listening. Right, children, join in with our ABC song. 3, 2, 1. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, and V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC, 26 letters from A to Z. Well done. Now let's do our previous sounds now. Don't forget to join in with the actions. 3, 2, 1. S, A, T, P, I, N, M, O, E, B, K, D, F, G, K, H, K, R, O, L, L, F, S, J, V, W, X, Y. Well done. Now let's do our high frequency words. 3, 2, 1. A, an, as, at, if, in, is, it, of, off, on, can, dad, had, back, and, get, big, him, his, not, got, up, mum, but, put. And don't forget, children, you can have a go at writing these as well. Now, let's do our oral blending and segmenting. We've got the jet, the vet, the web and the box. I say jet and you say jet. Jet. You say jet and I say jet. Jet. I say vet and you say vet. Vet. You say vet and I say vet. Vet. I say web and you say web. Web. You say web and I say web. Web. I say box and you say box. Box. You say box and I say box. Box. Well done, children. Let's have a look back at the computer. So there's the jet. Jet, vet, vet, web, web, box, box. Let's join in with our tricky words. Are we ready? 3, 2, 1. The, to, I, go, into, no, he, she, we, me. And again, you can practice writing them. Oh, I've let you see them now. But get ready, because this is where we do our speedy write. Oh, and now you've just had a sneak preview. So, the first word I would like you to write is the word, I'm going to change them in a different order now, is in. Are you ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So I say in and you say, what's the first sound? That's right, it's an I. So I, and what's the final sound? In. Now the next word I would like you to write is of. Of. You ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So of. So what's the first sound? Ah. And then a of. Right, the next word I would like you to write is the word is. Is. Are you ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Is. So it's an I and a S. And the final word I would like you to write is the word off. Off. Are you ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So the first sound was an R, and then the final sound was a F, wasn't it, children? And this is very special because it's a digraph. 2 letters and 1 sound. Okay, right then. Now the sound that I said that we were going to practice today was the Z sound. And it says, did you ever hear a bee buzz? A bee buzz, a bee buzz. Did you ever hear a bee buzz? Bzz, like this. So remember, the action is with the wings, the bzz. Okay, so it's the sound Z. Can you say it? Z. Right, let's sing along.
Did you ever hear a bee buzz, a bee buzz, a bee buzz? Did you ever hear a bee buzz, zzz, like this?
Right, children, so that was the Z, and they look like this. So that's the capital Z, and this is the lowercase z. Have a look on my board at how I write them. So we start here and we go across, and then we're going to go back on ourselves, down in a diagonal line, and then back again. One more time. Start at the top, go down, across, down, and across. Let me do it again. Start here, go across, down into diagonal and across. So that's your capital. And then your lowercase is exactly the same but smaller. So start here, go across, down and across, and then take your pen off. One more time. Start here, you go across, down in a diagonal and go across. Right, see if you can do a row of capital Z and a row of lowercase z. So let's have a go at reading the words. So here we've got the word, let's sound talk them first. Are you ready? Z-ap, zap, zap. This one, z-ip, zip. This one, z-ig, zig, z-a-g, zag, zigzag. And this one, z-a-k, sack. And here's Zach here, and this is the zigzag. We go in diagonal lines, and this is our zip, and this is zap, when the superheroes zap with their power. Now we've got a sentence here. Let's read the sentence. You ready? The zip, zip, got, stuck. The zip got stuck. Now, which picture is it? Right, which one is it, children? Is it this one? No, that's just a zip. What about this one? This is a man wearing a coat with a zip on. But this one, look what's happening, children. It's stuck. So it's this picture. The zip got stuck. And it's got an exclamation mark at the end because we're shocked that it's got stuck. Now let's read this sentence. It says, his zip got stuck. His zip got stuck. So it wasn't my zip, it wasn't your zip, it's his zip got stuck. How many words in that sentence? That's right, there's 4. Oh no, children. What's happened to my sentence? Stuck, zip, his, got. Come on now, you need to help me. What's the first word? That's right. It was a his with a capital H. That's right. His zip. That's right. What's the next word? Is it stuck? Got. Is that right? No. His zip got stuck. So his zip got stuck. Now, children, it's your turn to write the sentence. Making sure that you've going to write a capital letter at the beginning, finger spaces after each word, and a full stop at the end. And making sure you're writing on the lines. Oh, challenge, children. Here we go. Look at this challenge. So we've got lots of zips here. We've got 3 zips, haven't we? Let's read the sentence. It says, the zip is big. What's wrong with this sentence, children? That's right, it's not on the line. Let me put it on the line. That's where our letters sit. So the zip is big. So which one is the big zip? Is it this one? No. Is it this one? No. What about this one? Yes. This is the sentence for this picture. Right, children. See if you can practice your high frequency words and your tricky words by writing them down and having a go. Bye-bye.